Hey everybody, it's Roland the Real from Complete Trader Academy with another daily review. Today is Friday, November 4, 2022. US 30 here. Today's candle, great day in the market. We opened up here and came down, came into this wick here, came back up. And as I said yesterday, we had left this imbalance here, and that price would, and we were so close to the high of that candle. I knew price was going to come in here, take out the imbalance, come into some type of supply block here or imbalance price here, and then sink off, which it did, and then it rallied back up and settled here. All right, let's go into a smaller time frame. Let's go to the 1 hour just so you can see this. So here was the game plan today. Opened up today. And the intention is on a higher time frame, just so we understand, as far as following this every day. I'm going to go back to the daily chart. We are in a sell swing model position. So I'm not so much scalping anymore. I'm looking for the trend sells. I'm looking for only sells, and my job is to only hold, for these higher probability sells, since we're in a lower high area. Yeah, now the price could come up and take all this out. I mean, it could do whatever it wants. It could even come up here. But if we're looking for lower prices and this is the end of the lower high because we took out objectives here and got into here, and this is sufficient, I'm looking for lower pricing to swing down, to at least come into this area or this area right here. This would be considered an imbalance on the week chart. So a big imbalance on the week chart. If I show you this, if I go to the week chart, see this empty space right here? See this unpriced imbalance here? So I'm looking to sell into here, or even to obviously to make a new lower low like structure. But the game plan is right now, we took this trade today with the intention of it to come up into the imbalance. We waited on the higher time frame to come into a fib area. First, I was looking at the 50, took a break. I took a break even on the 50 when it hit here and it came down. Then next objective was 61. Saw I was wicking and showing reactions and exhaustion. And then it wicked into this supply block, which I got this baby blue line here. So that was I was going to take the entry there, but I wanted more confirmation. So yes, came in here, also came into this wick, pretty much close to the 50% of that wick, balanced that. So, and then sank, right? Let me go into the smaller time frame so you can see that. And I don't have a stop loss here because I don't have a stop loss anymore. It's in break even. So price came up here. This is that area. And there's the fib, 61 right here. So reacted there. Came down, broke here. Came back up, because left an imbalance here. Broke up, got back into this block right here. Supply block, took the sell right there. That was my confirmation. I don't just take the trades. I mean, I can, but I usually just wait for some type of confirmation, which is this break here, and then came down. Objective was to take it down, obviously much lower, because this is supposed to be an entry for a high probability swing trade. Even if it takes me out on Monday or next week, I'm still looking for swing sell trades. Dropped 500 points today, and we took it down to at least here. Here is the trade here if you want to see it. This is where we took the trade up here, as I just showed you. And our objective was to come down here into this wick. And let me show you the after. As you see the after here, price shot down 500 points nicely, more than 500 points, actually 600 points. Yeah, so 600 points, and took a majority off of it right here. And then we ended up rallying up So good day in the market. And yeah, so tomorrow, as far as not tomorrow, I'm sorry, Monday, can the price open up here and take out this high? Yes, it's sitting right there. I'm probably going to get stopped out. I'm okay with that because once it comes into this wick here, I'm looking for a sell. I don't see it coming up here, but it's possible that it comes here, or it could just open up, come inside this wick of this candle today or Friday, and then kind of continue lower. Because my objective is this daily imbalance here. So when it came down here, it didn't cross it. It didn't even touch it exactly. It got very close. So I know this is a dangling carrot. I know the price is going to come down here and take this out, then take this out. So I'm looking for like a trade like this. See how it broke down and came up? This trade here is why I'm holding, because I feel this is that same trade here. Then it's going to break down, lower low, lower high. Then I'm going to look for this trade when it comes down, comes back up, and somewhere in here for the next trade. And I'm trying to swing down. Yes, I can scalp in the meantime, but this is I'm trying to catch a swing sell to hold. So taking profit and keep going for the same objective. The reason why I'm going to focus on this is because I want to start swing trading more. I don't really want to scalp as we go. So it's helping direction, which will be good for your trading because you'd rather be on the direction and in the groove, in the right momentum of direction. Bias is really higher time frame is really the goal, because once you do that, trading becomes easier. All right, hope this helps. Take care. God bless.